PacTech presents the LaPlace product line, laser placement technology at its best. Our top-of-the-line product is LaPlace FC, a laser-assisted flip-chip bonding system for flux-free processing. The die picking is securely performed by the unique bond head, which includes high-end optics for laser beam manipulation. After alignment, accurate die placement is done simultaneously with laser reflow. Optionally, flux dipping process or formic acid reflow can be used. Laser energy and pulse frequency are automatically adjusted to the size of the die, which results in no thermal stress to the substrate. LaPlace CAN is a high-accuracy automatic laser bonder for wafer probe cards. LaPlace CAN offers ultra-fine pitch cantilever assembly and laser bonding for wafer probe cards with optional rework capability. LaPlace CAN is highly accurate and controls the full process. Probe cards up to 13 inches can be processed. It handles cantilevers with a thickness from 20 to 100 micrometers. The alignment control is performed by position bonding. Thanks to the perfect construction by our experienced engineers, all LaPlace products offer a high accuracy and rapid processing, combined with a long life cycle to protect your investment. Other LaPlace products are LaPlace VC, vertical chip bonding with laser reflow, and LaPlace HT, our automatic laser soldering assembly line for chips on metal leads, like bypass diodes for solar cell modules. All LaPlace products guarantee a fully automatic workflow, reducing your operational costs. LaPlace by PacTech.